Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use the Tradovate mobile app. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then in the search bar, tap Tradovate and tap on the app from the results. Next, tap on Install to download the app. Wait for it to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Now you will see options to sign in or register. If you are a new user, tap on Register to create an account. Next, you can choose to sign up with Google, tap on it, and select the Google account you want to use. Alternatively, you can sign up with Apple if you prefer. After that, enter your email address or phone number and create a secure password. Then tap Continue. Once your account is set up, you will see the main dashboard. Here, you can explore different trading sections. First, tap on Indexes to view major stock indices like S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. You can see live prices, charts, and historical data. Then, move to Micro section to view micro futures and smaller contract trading options. This is ideal for beginners or low-risk trades. Next, tap on Crypto to check cryptocurrency prices and market trends. You can track Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins in real time. After that, go to Financials and Currencies to explore global financial instruments and currency pairs. Here, you can monitor forex rates and futures. Then, check the Other section for additional markets, commodities, or special instruments that Tradovate support. Now, create watch lists for your favorite assets, set price alerts, and explore charts and trading tools to track market movements. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.